Once you're logged in, creating your own Flare code is pretty easy. To get started, click on the new Flare button. We'll ask you to name your Flare. And then you'll be taken to your empty Flare, which you have to fill with different types of content, which we call widgets. There's 5 widgets that we have right now. Each of them is a little bit different. But every widget you have to name and choose an icon for. You actually don't have to choose an icon. If you don't, we automatically use the default icon for that widget. So if it's a feed widget like Twitter or the video list, which does YouTube, you have to put in the name of the username, the hashtag, or whatever kind of query you're looking for. So in this case, I want to put in my Twitter feed. If I wanted to do a hashtag, pretty much the same thing. There you go. Video widgets operate in pretty much the same way. If I want to do a playlist, for example, put in my username, and it'll show me the playlists. So the feeds are generated automatically. The only time you actually have to use a feed is if you do the RSS widget. Which makes sense, because there's really no way to automatically find RSS feeds. At least not one that we've implemented yet. But yeah, it automatically pulls all that content down for you. The link widget is probably the simplest. You just put in the URL. So this might be if you wanted to do like a Facebook page or something. There's also the static content widget, which is a little bit different from the other guys. This one's for generating static pages, so if you want to do something like a menu or hours, or if you want to just put a few photos on the page, you can do all that with this guy. So it's just a rich text editor. You pretty much use it like you were making an email with it. And you can go up and down and do whatever you want with this guy. There's the end. So you can save this and you can see what everything's going to look like. You can look at it on mobile, or at least get a mobile preview by clicking the mobile preview button. That shows the widget that you're on. But you can go and navigate through this thing like you're using a mobile phone, which is good if you don't have a smartphone or if you just don't feel like scanning the code. And so you can see how the whole thing will look on the mobile web here. If you want to comment on this page or any other page, you do it in the sidebar over here, or on mobile there's a special comment button. And you can post that. You can also vote these things up or down. And you can edit and delete your own comments. And there you go. You have your very own Flare code. You can take this, you can copy this right here, put it in whenever you want, and distribute it freely, and embed digital information into the real world. I'm really excited to see what you guys do with this. Enjoy.